Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Just taking a walk outside around here in the subdivision, that type of thing, and contemplating my experimental horror film that I'm currently working on. And one thing for any filmmaker to, especially experimental horror filmmaker, to understand is that if you're wondering what fans are going to like, it's really kind of pointless to wonder what fans are going to like. If you start going that route, you're going to lose your vision, I find. The best thing to do is to film exactly what you want to and what you like in your own style. That way, you're going to find your own vision. And that's the best thing to do. Have fun at what you're going to do and just film exactly what you want to. That way, it's going to come out exactly the way you wish. Jonas Mekas didn't have a problem with it. John Cassavetes didn't have a problem with it, or nor did Andy Warhol. And that's the whole point. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, put a like on our videos, join our barter, buy, and sell group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.